This is la-inyan's Basic Hebrew Reading and Writing, Part 3. Name these letters and make their sounds. This is the letter Bet. It looks a bit like a sailboat. Practice the handwritten version. With a dot inside, it makes the hard B sound. Without a dot, it makes the softer V sound. Try reading this word. This is Aviv, meaning spring. How about this one? This is Abba, the Hebrew word for dad. Try this one. Tov, good. Here's Gimel. It looks like a guy who is going somewhere. Practice the handwritten version. Try reading this name, ignoring the dot in the Gimel. Gad. Try this word. Gan, garden. Try reading this word. Dag, fish. Try reading this word. It's gar, meaning living or residing. Here's the letter Zayin. It goes a bit zigzag. Zayin makes the Z sound. Practice the handwritten version. Try reading this word. Zait, olive. Now try this one, ignoring the dot in the Zayin. Chazan, canter. Remember what sound Vav makes if it's got a dot over it? Try reading this word. Gazoz, a sweet carbonated beverage. Sometimes the O vowel appears without a Vav, as in this word. Try reading it. Dov, bear. It's also a name. You'll also see this word spelled with a Vav. Try this word, recalling what sound Vav makes with a dot inside it. Zug, a couple or a pair. Try this word. It's nagish, meaning accessible. Name these letters and make their sounds. What's the last letter in this word? Final chaf. Here's chaf, or rather kaf, when it appears at the beginning or middle of a word. It looks like the letter C backwards. Practice the handwritten version. Without a dot inside, it makes the rough ch sound, like chet and final chaf. But with a dot inside, chaf makes a hard k sound. Try reading this word. This is kad, meaning jug. Try reading this word. This is shachen, meaning neighbor when referring to a male. How about this one? It's shchena, a neighbor who is female. Now, when shin has a dot on the right-hand side, it makes the sh sound. But when it's got a dot on the left, it makes the s sound. Try reading this word. Simla, dress. How about this name? Sarah, or Sarah, Sarah. Try reading this word. This is Sukkah, the traditional hut for the Jewish Feast of the Tabernacles, Chag HaSukkot. Now, sometimes you'll see Sukkah with these vowels, but you're more likely to see it written this way when vocalized. See those three diagonal dots under the samech? They make an U sound, like vav with a dot inside it.
This is the letter Pe.
It looks like the profile of a face. Practice the handwritten version. With a dot inside, it makes the hard P sound. But without a dot, it makes the softer F sound. Try this word. Pas, stripe. How about this one? Pasim, stripes. Now try reading this word. Lefi, according to. Here's final fe, the letter pe as it appears at the end of a word. Practice the handwritten version. Try reading this word. Daf, a page. Now try this one. Madaf, a shelf. Now try this word. Kof, monkey. And this one? Kofim, monkeys. How about this word? It's tof, drum. And this? Tupim, drums. This is ayin. Most modern Hebrew speakers pronounce it just like aleph. Practice the handwritten version. Try reading this word. This is al, on or about. This is tzadi. It looks a bit like a pretzel. Practice the handwritten version. What differences do you see between ayin and tzadi? Try reading this word. This is tzarich, need. Name these letters and make their sounds. Here's tzadi as it appears at the end of a word. Here's the handwritten version. Try reading this word. Tzatz, popping up. Now try this word with an e vowel. It's, tree. Reading from right to left, name these letters and make their sounds. Now try reading this. Mazal tov, congratulations. Why? Because now you can read using the entire Hebrew alphabet. Madhim! We hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you'd like to learn to speak Hebrew with confidence, visit us at ulpan.com.
Ulpan la-inyan.